Starting a side hustle with the goal of becoming a millionaire is an ambitious and exciting endeavor. While there's no guarantee of achieving millionaire status, with dedication, hard work, and a solid strategy, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some side hustle ideas for beginners that have the potential for significant growth. E-commerce. Start an online store selling products that align with your interests or meet a specific niche demand. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up an online store with minimal upfront costs. Freelancing. Leverage your skills to offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, web development, social media management, or digital marketing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with potential clients. Vlogging. If you have a passion for writing or creating videos, consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. With consistent effort and engaging content, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize through ads and sponsorships. App development. If you have coding skills or an innovative app idea, develop and launch your own mobile application. Real estate. Invest in rental properties or participate in real estate crowdfunding platforms. Online courses. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Stock photography. If you have photography skills, sell your images on stock photography websites such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Drop shipping. Set up an online store that sells products without holding inventory. Virtual assistant. Offer administrative or organizational support to busy professionals or businesses remotely. Subscription box service. Curate and sell subscription boxes filled with niche products that cater to specific interests or hobbies. Tips for success. Passion and persistence. Choose a side hustle that aligns with your passions and interests. Building a successful venture takes time, so be prepared to stay persistent and committed. Continuous learning. Invest time in learning and improving your skills related to your side hustle. Stay updated with industry trends and new techniques. Time management. Balancing a side hustle with your regular job and personal life. Customer focus. Always prioritize providing value to your customers' financial discipline. Keep a close eye on your finances, track expenses, and reinvest profits back into your side hustle's growth.